Hello guys, nice to meet you again. Welcome to another day with testproductreview.com, and today I'm gonna give you a quick tutorial for how to clean your microwave properly in 3 easy steps. So first of all, first step, go to the microwave oven itself. So here's ours. Here's the microwave. We are not advertising this brand, it's just our microwave. So this is the first step, you go to the microwave itself. Then step number 2, open the microwave. It's simple as that. You open the microwave. There you go, you see how it goes. I guess your microwave could be opened in a different way. You know, there are many that have button right here, so you just push the button here and the door opens, but this one is different. It just opens manually like that. It's pretty easy and simple. And we head to step number 3. We take a clean cloth, just simple wipe. We take this wipe, you see, and what we do is just wipe around the microwave, you see, like that. You can add some moisture to the wipe so you can clean it easier, you see, like that. You can remove this plate and continue wiping, and you can remove the ring as well. Oh, you see, plenty to wipe around here. There you go. And once you wipe it all over the place, the whole inside, you see there's a dirt in there, you are basically and ready to go. Of course you can assemble the whole thing as before, but these were the 3 easy steps to clean your microwave. First step, remember, go to the microwave itself. Second step, open the microwave. Third step, take a clean cloth. This one is not clean anymore. And just wipe the whole inside. And then you're ready to use your microwave again. So guys, my advice is clean your ovens regularly so we have a better tasting food. If you want to see more tutorials and advices like this one and many others, please go to testproductreview.com and see yourself. Thank you for visiting, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, bye bye.